Hola, soy Ausi Benitez, the Spanish tutor, and I'm just going to talk to you about the part 3 in the AQA Speaking Exam. This is the general conversation part of the exam. Okay, now in the general conversation, you choose your own topic. You have the choice, not topic, but the theme. So you can choose either theme 1, theme 2, or theme 3. Okay, so your teacher normally would have given you a set of questions for every theme, and you need to be able to answer them thoroughly. Now, because you are given the choice of a theme, it is up to you how well you prepare for it. Okay, now here I'm going to give you some top tips on how to answer the questions in a very simple way and using vocabulary you know without overcomplicating things. Keep it simple. That's what you need to do. Okay, don't try and memorize things that you have no idea how to say in Spanish, because if you forget one word, you probably will forget the rest of your answer. Okay, so the best way is to use vocabulary you are familiar with and you make the most out of it. So, for example, here I have two questions that they always come up in the exam. Okay, and this technique can be applied for the photo card as well, and this technique can also be applied for the writing exam. Okay, so we have here the question is: describe a un buen amigo o una buena amiga. Okay, the way I answer it es: mi mejor amigo se llama Juan. Juan es alto, tiene los ojos marrones y el pelo rubio y rizado. Cuando era pequeño era muy travieso, pero ahora es muy amable y comprensivo. Me gustaría ser su amiga para siempre porque es comprensivo y generoso. Now, here I have very common words in Spanish, but I'm using three different tenses. I am using the present tense, se llama, es, tiene. I'm using the imperfect, cuando era pequeño, era muy travieso. Again, comparison, linking word, pero, ahora, now, es muy amable y comprensivo. Okay? And then I'm using the conditional, me gustaría ser su amiga para siempre, opinion, justification, porque es comprensivo y generoso. And I can even add a wow phrase here, which could be si fuera posible, si tuviera la oportunidad. Those are set phrases that if you're doing higher level, you probably should be familiar with. Okay, excellent. So that's one example. And then if we go to the next one, you have, ¿qué vas a hacer con tus amigos o tu familia este fin de semana? And again, same rule, present, past, future, or conditional, opinion, justification. Okay, so we have, normalmente el fin de semana en casa es tranquilo. Sin embargo, la semana pasada fuimos de camping con unos amigos a Gales. Fue genial porque hizo buen tiempo y lo pasamos bomba. Cuando sea mayor voy a ir de camping a menudo y este fin de semana voy a salir con amigos. Okay? Now, I'm just adding the last bit to actually answer the question here, because even though I'm not answering the question exactly with what I have written, the question is there, the vocabulary is there. I'm using present tense. I'm using a linking word, sin embargo, which means however. Then la semana pasada, time phrase. Okay, we went, not only I went. Okay, it was great. Again, opinion with justification. Lo pasamos bomba. Again, it's an idiomatic expression. We had a blast. Again, one wow phrases here. Cuando sea mayor, when I'm older. And then I use the future tense, the immediate future tense. Okay. As you can see, it's very simple vocabulary, but you can do it. And especially keep it simple. That's what you need to do. I hope you find the tip useful and apply it in the next few weeks for your speaking exam and apply it too for your writing exam. Buena suerte. Hasta la próxima.